Well, welcome back to Jaguar Mining's channel, a growing gold producer doing a booming gold market. And joining us to discuss recent earnings, operational updates, and as this company continues to expand, Alfred, the CFO, as always. Welcome back, sir.
Thanks, Kyle. Good to be with you.
Always a pleasure to get you back on, especially in these fascinating times for gold. And yeah, I know you guys had your quarter about a month ago, but I wouldn't mind reiterating as gold continues to hold around this $2,500 an ounce mark. I mean, your production was at 16,829 just in Q2. Do you want to just kind of give us a high level overview?
Sure. So, more excited about our drilling results for more recent press releases, but we had a strong second quarter. The biggest thing for me is we had, solid realized gold prices, and we increased our cash by $11 million, ending the quarter at $37.4 million. And that was all operating margin. There was no, unusual things. I know at the end of Q1, we had a collection of receivable that brought $4 million into our cash at the end of Q1. This 11 million growth was all fueled by the operations on the back of that gold production. And we did sell more ounces than we produced, drawing down some finished goods inventories. And so that came through with very good realized gold prices and, 17 cents a share of profit. So very, very pleased with that. And, that cash generation just underpins the fact that we are self-funded and our development plans that we have for our ongoing development of the BA zone at Pilar, the Fina zone at Turmalina, as well as down the road Pitangui, Onces de Pitangui, which is our project that's part of the Turmalina complex. We anticipate not needing any outside financing to develop this growth, basically.
And it's absolutely fascinating to say the least, especially in the backdrop of this choppier market. But as you mentioned, some recent press releases with Jaguar providing some updates on its BA zone development and the exploration progress. And I know you have some drilling going on. There's a lot of expansion. Give us a view of what's up here.
Yeah, so yesterday we released some drilling results at our BA zone. This is our zone at Pilar, which we announced initially on February 28th. We've been very busy doing more work and more drilling since then. And so we're happy to report some particularly spectacular new hole, deep, basically grading 9.35 grams per ton over 7.5 meters on the 18 level. And you may recall that the big news at the end of February was that we developed a 130 meter drift through the ore zone on the 15 level, and that was quite spectacular. Well, with this deep hole that we have, that's about 3 levels down at a level 18, we see the possibility of a vertical panel of production. And I was at Pilar looking at the BA zone last month with our chairman as well, and it looks spectacular. And the geologists are doing amazing work, and they're modeling and they're anticipating what the shape is doing with this zone is being corroborated by ongoing drilling, and it's really very exciting what's coming together there.
No, on that note, we'll pass it off to the viewers as always. We'd love to know what you think in that comment section and consider subscribing for news and catalysts like this as it hits the wire. Of course, we'll bring it to you here. But on that note, as always, we look forward to catching you in the next one.